crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and I'm going to show you how to cut up a 12 by 12 into 5 by 7 inch, 4 of them 5 by 7 inch bases, fronts for 5 by 7 cards. Now, I thought this would show up a little bit better. Let me see if I can change this around a little bit. See how that works. Much better. Okay, so as you know, 5 plus 7 is 12. Very simple. So all you need to do is just measure your paper on either side and divide it up into 5-inch. Start from the front and divide it up 5-inch here, and then these will be 7. Turn it around. This will be 5 inches here, and that'll be 7 long. And you turn it around and you keep doing that until you've marked all of your cardstock. So mark it 5 on each side, just like this. This will be your waist. That is all that you'll have left when you finish your cutting. And I will show you right here. This will come out perfectly into 4 5 by 7 inch pieces. And that way you can get 4 pieces out of a 12 by 12 inch piece of paper. Isn't that wonderful? I learned it from just watching Anna Griffin. These are Anna Griffin papers, by the way, and thought I'd pass it on to you. A simple tip. There you go. Have a great day and go craft. Bye-bye.